guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are here in Cascade Nature Park in Compostela, Cebu. So stay tuned guys. Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are now here in the Cascade Nature Park located in Compostela, Cebu. So sad to say today it's raining, still raining. So we will do a video for you guys to see how beautiful this place is. Cascade Nature Park in Compostela, Cebu. So stay tuned guys. Cascade Nature Park, lush green paradise in Compostela, is a perfect mix of scenic natural landscapes and high-end amenities. Taking pride as Compostela's largest outdoor venue for practically any event you can think of, can cater to any large event, garden theme weddings and reception, team buildings, concerts, debuts, and photo shoots, you name it. It includes islet located in the center of a lake, perfect spot for exchanging of vows. You can go fishing in the lake or rent a kayak, paddleboard, canoe, or a pedal boat. The also 600 square swimming pool. Other amenities are huge swimming pools, water activities, large open fields, big lake with fishing, private cabanas. Rates and other information. They use adults 200 pesos per head, children 160 pesos per head, 3 to 12 years old, seniors, PWDs, 2 years old below free. Day pass entrance fees are inclusive for parking fee, tables and chairs, and use of all public facilities including the swimming pool and lake. Cottages fees. Casita poolside lake or lakeside, 500 good for 6 people, day use only. Cabana, 1,000 good for 10 people. Shade tent, 250, only used in open field or lawn. Other fees, kayak, 150 per hour. Paddleboard, 150 per hour. Canoe, 200 pesos per hour. Fishing, 200 per kilo black tilapia, 450 per kilo orange tilapia. Fish feeding, 10 pesos per bag. Note, outside food is allowed. Bring your own trash bags. Alcohol from outside not allowed. Loud music in the pool or lake area is not allowed. To make a reservation for weddings, corporate events, team buildings, concert, and other celebrations, email the link. I will put the link down below, okay? So how to get here. Exact location, San Francisco Subdivision, Barangay Magay, Compostela, Northern Cebu, approximately 1.5 hours away from the Cebu City. By commute from SM City, Cebu, you can ride Bihar going to Danao, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Jeepney going to Danao, jeep number 27. Just tell the driver to drop off at Esquina Bulwang. From there are motorbikes or habal-habal and tricycles at the Esquina. Tell them that you're going to Cascade Nature Park. By car, head on to Compostela and stop at Magay Elementary School. Right across the school is the St. Francis subdivision. So I hope you like this video, guys. So as you can see, while visiting here, there are lots of trees that are devastated by the typhoon Odette last December. So this will give you an idea on how to get here and what are the things you can do while you are here.
Area, guys, as you can see over here. So their main entrance is there in that area. So this is a very nature friendly area, guys. As you can see, there's a lot of trees and there are some animals also. So I will show you some animals over here because there is also animals. That is the cow, guys, or baka in Cebuano, and the trees and the pool over there in that area. So we will move around. I will show you around, guys. This way is going to the gate in the entrance. We already paid the entrance fee, which is 150 pesos per person. So we can use the swimming pool because they have swimming pool. They have lots of mango trees over here. And that's the cow or baka in Cebuano. So this area is very big. As you can see, it's very nature. You see the cow, guys. And they also have chickens over here. They have hens. They also have hens. So this is the view, guys. Aside from the pool, they have also a big, like a lake. They have also a very big lake over here. So they have overpass, small overpass over there. Yeah. So today we will not go swimming, guys, because it's raining. So maybe we will just chill out over here and ordered some food and drinks. So this is the other side of the Cascade Nature Park. So they have a very nice lake, and it's up there and over there. So it's raining over here, guys. So we will not go swimming. Maybe we will just sit down and order some food and drinks. Some people did not know that there is another view over here, guys. So I'm glad I discovered it here, that there is another place which is nice. So we will go in that area, guys. I will show you, okay? So we are now heading to the other area, which we have a overpass. So it's very wet, guys. It's very slippery. So yeah, this is what we call Cascade Nature Park, located in Compostela, Cebu. So approximately it will take 2 to 3 hours from the city, from the main city of the Cebu. So it's not really that long ride. Wow, there's a flowers. Bougainvillea, we call it Bougainvillea, guys. And we will go in the overpass. We will try to overpass. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Oh. There are small palm boat over there. We'll try this overpass. My God, so very nice. It's worth it. Your 50 pesos is very worth it when you come here. So they have also a small what you call it, and there's a fish, guys. There's a fish. Yeah. And you can do picnic over here in the grass.